Hello everybody, myself Dr. P. Srivastava and today we will discuss about the muscles of pectoral region. First off, pectoral major muscles. Second is the pectoralis minor muscles. Third, subclavius, and fourth is the serratus anterior. This serratus anterior muscles is not a totally used can say this is the muscles of pectoral region, but we will consider here and other axilla and brachial flexors also we consider in pectoral region, right? Now, pectoral major muscles. So, we'll see there are two head. The muscles origin in two head. First is the clavicle head. This is a clavicle part, right? And this portion is medial two-third of the clavicle, right? The first part is originated from the medial two-third, medial half of the front of the clavicle, and second is the sternocostal head. This is a half the breadth of the anterior surface of manubrium and sternum up to the sixth costal cartilage, right? So this is whole muscles is known as pectoralis major muscles, and these muscles are inserted by bilaminar tendon on the lateral lip of the bicipital groove. This is a bicipital groove of the humerus where it inserted in U-shaped, right? Nerve supply is medial and lateral pectoral nerve, and action is and medial rotation of the arm, right? Clavicle head help in the flexion of the arm or shoulder. So we can see in next diagram, this muscles is known as pectoralis major muscles, right? And these are inserted in bicipital groove. So this is a inserted point, and this one is the origin point, right? So a medial two-third of the clavicle, and this is the half of the breadth of anterior surface of manubrium sterni and sternum up to the sixth costal cartilage, right? Now, pectoralis minor muscles. Origin. Pectoralis minor, right? So 3, 4th and 5th. And this area is known as costochondral junction, where the muscles are originated, and it inserted into the coracoid process. This is a coracoid process of the scapula, and it is a medial and upper surface of coracoid process. Medial and upper surface of the coracoid process. Nerve supply the same medial and pectoral nerve, and action. So action is depression of the shoulder. Depression of the shoulder and draw the rib upward and outward during deep inspiration, right? So this is a pectoralis minor muscles. Now we see in this region, then this muscle is known as pectoral minor muscles, right? Next, subclavius. Subclavius muscles is originated from the first rib, any first costochondral junction. This is the first costochondral junction of the first rib, and it originated from the first rib at the costochondral junction and now inserted into the subclavian groove of the clavicle. This is the middle one-third of the subclavian groove of inferior surface of the clavicle where his muscles is inserted, right? Nerve supply, nerve to subclavius, and action is the fixes the clavicle during movement of the shoulder joint. Okay, so when the shoulder is movement, then it work as a fix the clavicle, right? Serratus anterior muscles. The origin of the serratus anterior muscles is upper 8 rib. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this area, lateral side. This is a lateral side. This is a serratus anterior muscles, which origin from 8 digitation of upper 8 rib in the mid axillary plane. This is a mid axillary plane where the muscles are originated from the 8 digitation, right? And it inserted into the medial border of costal surface of scapula, right? First digitation inserted into the superior angle of the scapula. This is a superior angle where the first digitation of the muscles is inserted, and this is the medial border where 2 digitation are inserted into lower down of the middle border, and this is the inferior angle where is the inserted 5 digitation, right? 5 digitation which are inserted into inferior angle of the scapula, right? This area. So serratus anterior muscles is known as boxer muscles, and it may not be strictly muscles of the pectoral region, right? So extend in the draw the scapula forward in boxing rotation and rotate the scapula outward and raising the arm above the 90 degree, right? So this is the serratus anterior muscles. You can see in lateral side. This is total is the 8 digitation, right? And it inserted into divided into 3 parts. First digitation, next 2 digitation, and last 5 digitation, right? Weaning of scapula, right? So what is the weaning of the scapula? One of the action of the serratus anterior is to hold the scapula against the rib cage if the long thoracic nerve is damaged and the serratus anterior therefore paralyzed. So this is a specific clinical sign is produced. This is a weaning of the scapula, right? Next, the medial border. This is a medial border, right? And inferior angle of the scapula prominent. This is known as weaning of scapula. Okay. So this is a part of the muscles of the pectoral region. Thank you.